Here are a few helpful tips to keep you eco-friendly and safe during these difficult times. Let's go! Use a reusable mask. Disposable masks generally have a lot of plastic in them and are not completely biodegradable. Opt for a reusable mask instead. Not only will this be cheaper, but it can serve as a fashion statement too. Avoid disposable wipes. These are non-biodegradable and end up littering our oceans and streets. Instead, opt for some disinfectant spray and a reusable cloth. Scrub your hands with the tap off. As a result of the pandemic, many of us wash our hands a lot. This can lead to a lot of water wastage, so be sure to shut the tap while you scrub your hands. Don't overconsume. Overconsumption can lead to excessive production, which can lead to greater emissions. And finally, use eco-friendly products. Many sanitizers, soaps, and disinfectants use a lot of chemicals, which are harmful for you and the environment. Try opting for some eco-friendly products instead. Thanks for listening.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, check us out on social media, where we post loads of content daily.